Is Elvis Presley.
He's in that look with the light on.
Now we'd like to present an entertainer whose provocative style has kicked up a storm all around the country. The one and only Elvis Presley.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to present from Saudi Daisy, Tennessee, Elvis tribute artist, Mr. Gene Hodge.
One for the money, two for the show. You get ready now. Face, and my name all over the place. Do anything that you want to do, but oh, honey, they hold my shoes, don't you? Never up with my shoes. Well, you can do anything, but they hold my shoes. Well, it's the one for the money, two for the show. Three to get ready now, go, but don't you? Never up with my shoes. Well, you can do anything, but they hold my shoes. Yeah. For the show, do you get ready now? Go, cat, go, but don't never my blue suede shoes. Well, you can do anything, but they harbor my blue suede shoes. Oh, it's blue suede shoes, blue suede shoes, baby. Blue suede shoes, blue suede shoes. Well, you can do anything, but they harbor my blue suede shoes. Thank you very much. Well, since my baby left me, I found a new place to dwell. Well, it's down at the end of the lonely street that oh, it's so lonely, baby. Oh, it's so lonely I am. I'll be so lonely I get down. Keep falling, and the desk clerk's dressed in black. Well, it's been so long down long